Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, you can't be replaced. Welcome back, guys. Today I'm here with HerWorthHair. It says 100% human hair, and their website is also listed on the box. So let's get into the packaging. All right, so first I'm seeing the wig, and I also got these 3 clips here. I got this elastic band which has, you know, the velcro at the ends, so you can use this to help to melt your lace down once you apply it to your head. Also, there's a thank you card, says thank you for choosing us. This is cute. I also got a pair of HD invisible wig caps, and then I have a rat tail comb. That's everything that came in the package. So let's get into the wig. This is the wig we're working with today. Oh my gosh, this is, when I tell you silky, it's on 20. Jeez, this looks so good, like super realistic. So this is actually a 10 inches 13 by 4 HD lace front bob. All right, it's an invisible HD lace front. It's already customized, already pre-bleached and tinted. It's 180% in density, and as you can see, it has brown highlights. Like, it's really nicely highlighted. I love the thoroughness of it. It is a beautiful blunt cut bob. It's been a minute since I've rocked a bob like this, and I am so excited. It's a very silky smooth hair texture. I think it translates really nicely on camera. The movement is gorgeous. It's very full and nice, and the hairline is already pre-plucked. So HerWorthHair, you're doing your thing. It's the first time I'm working with them, and I absolutely think this quality is stunning so far. I'm so happy to go ahead jump into this installation, because baby, I know this is gonna be so gorgeous. One thing I love is a really nicely cut bob, like, you know, as in a nice blunt cut bob. Like, it has to be sharp, like, you know. Yeah, but yeah, let's go ahead and jump into this installation, because it's giving. All right, I'm excited. Let's go. Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, you can't be replaced. There's no one else to do like you do. That's why I'm mine. Turn my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give. Guys, this is so perfect. This is so perfect. This is perfection. I love this. Like, I love it. It's so sleek and neat. I'm just cutting away, you know, the excess lace, obviously. Absolutely no baby hairs, no swoops. It's all pulled back. As you saw, I just made the parting a little bit more precise. Oh my gosh, I love the blonde cut. I love the blonde cut. I'm so excited. No, I can't say when last I rocked a bob this length. Like, I've been doing bobs, but a little bit longer, like maybe an inch or maybe 2. I love when my bobs are this length. Let me know if you're like me, because this gets me so excited. Like, I love a really nice long look, but I also love a really nice short look. Like, you know, the simplicity of it.
the naturalness of it. It's just like something about a sleek short look that is just, it has my heart, you know. I'm gonna go through the hair and just get it really flat. It's already laid so flat on its own straight out of the packaging. Right as I lay it, I'm going to go ahead and apply my elastic band to further press it in at the hairline. This is just perfection. It lays so flat. Like, this is an amazing first impression of her worthy hair. Like yeah, I love this. Now that I went through that with my hot comb, I'm just gonna run through the rest of the hair with my flat iron, which is very much just optional because it's already so straight and sleek. But I just want to be extra. I just want it to be like, you know. So that's what I'm gonna go in and do right now. Perfection. I just did my 2 little swoops here because I missed it, to be honest. But I just kept the sideburns, like, you know, natural, normal. I didn't want to do anything to that. So this is how we're looking. It's so lightweight, so realistic. Like, it's just giving proper, you know, like minimalistic. You wanna, you know, do a little something extra. You could just do the, you know, highlights and stuff, but it is giving. The cut is just, I live for a nice, for a blunt cut bob like this. This is perfection. HerWorthHair, you got it right. I love this. 10 out of 10, highly recommend. Shedding, honestly, I haven't really gotten any shedding. These when you're working with bobs like these, most of the times they don't shed as much as, you know, a regular length wig will. You know, there's shed, there will be shedding, you know, but super minimal. So I haven't gotten any strands from it. It's very silky. The movement is gorgeous, like beautiful. Love it. Like look at that. Look at that. It's everything. So I 10 out of 10 recommend. As I said, the direct link to this wig will be in my description box. You know, if there are any deals, any discount code, anything like that, it will be listed in my description box as well. All the specifications will be down there. Shout out to HerWorthHair for this bomb wig today. I absolutely enjoyed installing it and just styling it and, you know, showing it to you guys. They did their thing. If you're looking for a very nice, sleek, blunt cut bob, 10 out of 10 recommend. But that's it for today's wig look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. That's it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and pick up on yourself. Bye. Insert.